Hey everyone, it's Wednesday, November 18th. Today we are going to switch gears from the death penalty to protesting in America. So what you need to do today is go to Schoology and click on the Teen Issues unit. Inside the Teen Issues unit, you will find issue 4, which is protests in America. So click on that, and then it'll bring up a bunch of articles. You need to pick 2 or 3 of the articles to read, and as you are reading, I want you to think about whether you think protesting in America is good and helpful, or is it a problem. So then after you read through and you think about what your opinions are, then you need to create a pro-con chart. So if you click here, it'll bring up this, and the pro-con chart is linked right there. Otherwise, it's also linked on the agenda slide. What you need to do is think about what your opinion is. You can type your opinion in right there. And then you need to come up with pros and cons, so things that support your argument and things that go against your argument. This is going to set us up so that we are able to start writing your counter-argument paragraph tomorrow. Counter-argument paragraphs are paragraphs where you present your argument, but then you also present the opposing side and argue against the opposing side. So you need to know what the opposing side thinks so that you're able to combat that argument. When you're finished, you can turn it in to this Dropbox right here. Let me know if you have questions. Otherwise, have a great day.